So, these crazy Bulgarian pronouns. I think it's from Old Bulgarian compared to Russian when they have these different, what do you call them? So we do have different pronouns. I mean, the pronouns, they change depending when, how we use them in the sentence and depending on the meaning. So let's give this example. Give me an apple. Дай ми ябълка. Give me an apple. Дай ми ябълка. So we are talking that someone, usually you, will give me that apple. I'm saying you give me the apple. So it's always you that has to do the action. Give me. So what else? Give me. Дай ми. Дай ми билет. Дай ми чанта. Дай ми чадър. Дай ми усмивка. Дай ми телефонният номер на someone, някой. Дай ми шоколад. Дай ми шоколад. Give me chocolate. So again, let's repeat the sentences. Give me an apple. Дай ми ябълка. Give me an umbrella. Дай ми чадър. Give me a smile. Дай ми усмивка. And so on. What happens if it's not me that has to receive that, but it's him? Give him an umbrella because it's raining. Give him. Дай му. Дай му. Дай му чадър. Дай му ябълка. Дай му усмивка. What about it's not him, it's her? Give her an umbrella. Give her an apple. Give her an umbrella. Дай и чадър. Now remember from the alphabet we have this letter E кратко, which is shorter E, E кратко. Дай и. It's kind of the same but not really, because in fact this is E under stress. So we put a stress on the E. Дай и. Дай и чадър. Дай и ябълка. Дай и усмивка. It's the same with it. Give it. Now it sounds strange in English because usually you use him or her, but for our exercise we will use it, which is the same with him. Give him, give, дай му. So it's absolutely the same. Дай му усмивка, дай му чадър, дай му ябълка. What if we go to plural now and we want to say give us? Give us. Дай ни. Дай ни. Дай ни чадър. Дай ни ябълка. Дай ни усмивка. Дай ни ключа за стаята. Give us the key to the room. Next one, which is them. Give them. Give them. Дай им. Дай им. Дай им ябълка. Well, they'll probably need more than one. Дай им усмивка. Дай им чадър. Дай им чанта. So you see, it's not difficult. It's easy. You can easily remember that going through these patterns and sentences and practicing. But if you noticed, I skipped you singular and you plural, because usually you is doing the action, you is giving. So it's not natural to say give you. I can say I will give you. In that case, you say аз ще, that's future tense, аз ще ти дам. Аз ще ти дам. Аз ще ти дам ябълка. Аз ще ти дам чадър. Аз ще ти дам усмивка. Then what's happening with you in plural? Аз ще ви. Аз ще ви дам. Аз ще ви дам чадър. Hopefully there too. So I'm giving an umbrella. They need to share. Аз ще ви дам ябълка. Now they need to split again, share. Аз ще ви дам усмивка. Аз ще ви дам ключа за стаята. Аз ще ви дам ключа за стаята. I'll give you the key for the room. So these are the crazy pronouns you need to know when you're learning Bulgarian language. But it's not difficult. You just need to practice a little bit more. Learn the sentences, learn the examples, and it's easy, you know, when you practice. Like everything else. I hope you enjoyed the video and you find it helpful. If so, please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye from me for now. Довиждане.